It's a new 2019 GMC YUKON XL. Kids, cargo, groups, gear. You can carry even more in this YUKON XL. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. Of the Yukon, the Car Connection puts forth it has the power and capability to haul up to 9 passengers, their stuff, and the family boat. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.